Today we will know how to install Kali Linux on virtual machine in Windows. Okay, open any web browser. Here, search Kali Linux. Open the first one www.kali.organization. Get Kali. Here we are using a virtual machines, so we'll download the virtual machine files. Okay, here you should select a bit. Now I am using 64-bit system. I already downloaded it. Okay, now we will VirtualBox. www.virtualbox.organization. Go to downloads. Here select your host. I am currently using a Windows host. Okay, download, press the link this. Okay, then also downloaded the extension pack. Okay, I already downloaded both. Now let's go to downloads. Now we will install VirtualBox in system. Type next. Okay, here it's a C drive. I want to change my location. It's your wish. I am changing my location. Then press OK. Next. Next. Yes. Install. It basically takes some time. Wait for the setup. Then press finish. Okay. Now go to Kali Linux downloaded file virtual machine. Open the list. Right click and tap open with. Select the VirtualBox manager. Then press OK. See. Now also I am changing the location of base folder machine. It's your wish to change. Okay. There is already an inbuilt assignment of 2 CPU. I will make it 4. It's your wish according to your system configuration. Then I will extend RAM. It's your wish to extend or leave it like that. Okay, then press import. – 99%. It's importing a virtual disk image. See. Now it's ready to use. Press start. Wait for the process. Do you know why the hackers use Linux? Because Kali Linux inbuilt has over 600, more than 600 inbuilt uh, tools for hackers. So they use Kali Linux. the virtual machine is ready to use. Okay guys, to show you, when you log in the Linux, the default password and username will be Kali, Kali. Okay, now it's ready to use. Now we will install extension pack of virtual machine. Go to into mark, power of the machine, press OK. Now go to the file where you downloaded it. Downloads extension pack. Right click, open with VirtualBox Manager, then press OK. Then press reinstall. It will come reinstall. Then scroll down, press I agree, press yes. It will install the extension pack.